Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your name on Facebook. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to log in your Facebook account on your browser. Tap your profile at top right corner, go to settings and privacy, tap settings, and then it will take you directly to this page and introducing a Meta account setter. So actually not before this Meta account, you can just simply see the profile feature option under settings and privacy. But now you have to click this Meta account center. So you have to tap this one and you will see some settings here such as the personal information if you want to change your email address and other things. So this is what it looks like. If you want to see more information about your contact, you have to click this personal details right here. But what we're going to do is to change our name or your name here on your Facebook account. So what you're going to do is to click profiles, tap your Facebook account name, and then you will see here name, username, and other options. So you have to click name. And in order for you, if you want to change your name here on Facebook, you just have to simply look or think for a specific or unique name or whatever name that you want to change here. But take note that you cannot change this after you change it. Okay, so you have to wait. So as you can see, this is my name, Jandalu. So let me change this to Andrea. Okay, so let me type Andrea here. And then after that, tap review change. Okay, so from Jandalu to Andrea Lu, I can also tap this to Andrea if I want. After that, click done. And then, as you can see, my name has been changed. Now, take note, if you read this part right here, you can change your name right now because you've changed it in the last 60 days. So you can still change the order of your name, but not really your name. So that is why you have to make sure or you have to be careful if you want to change your name. Because once you submit it, you cannot change it right away or like after a week, something like that. So you have to wait for 60 days in order for you to change it again. So as you can see, this is my name now. And if you want to change your Facebook name, you have to wait again for 60 days and then you can change that. Okay, so that's all for now. If you want to see the changes, all you have to do is to refresh your Facebook. Then you will see there that your Facebook has been changed. So mine is from Jandalu to Andrea. That's it. So that's how easy it is to simply change your name on Facebook. Thank you for watching. See you again in our next videos.